Okay, so let's kind of go ahead and put together this rule that we were talking about in class, or the pattern that you noticed even as we were going through and doing the counters or the number lines. Here's kind of the basic idea of what has happening with subtraction here. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in this box that's in red. So if I click on here, the rule for subtracting, or what I'm going to click twice so it'll type, is that we are going to turn to addition. And let's see, we'll make my box a little bigger here. Turn to addition. And then remember the way we do that is same, opposite, oops, opposite, same, opposite, opposite. So the first number stays the same. We turn the subtraction into addition, and then we do the opposite of the second number there. After that, once it's addition, we just go through exactly the same stuff we did with adding. So that's really the benefit of this rule, that we get to use all the same stuff for adding. It's the only tiny little piece we really have to remember for subtracting. So let's try out this rule here. We have the problem -40 minus 10. So you could kind of visualize in your head what's going to happen with this problem, right? If we don't have any positive 10 chips to draw out, you know you're going to have to start adding 0 pairs in to cross them off. So already in your head, you should be thinking, okay, we're adding, kind of more negatives, or think about on the number line and which way are you turning and which way are you going. So you have kind of a good idea there. Once I follow the rule to turn to addition, I got to go same, opposite, opposite. So I'm going to keep -40 the same. I turn the subtraction into addition. And then here, this is a 10. So I need to make it the opposite of 10, which is -10. So really, -40 minus 10 and -40 plus -10 are the same problem, which kind of makes sense. There's one minus and there's one minus that's happening in the middle of the numbers. So then I go through, do my adding. Are the signs the same? Yes. So what am I going to do with my digits? Add. And is it going to be positive or negative? Well, they're both negative, so it's going to be negative. So when I do that, 40 plus 10 is 50, and then we said it was going to be negative, so -50 would be my answer to the first problem. In the second problem, same idea. You could already think about, using the visuals, make a guess about, is our answer going to get more negative or is it going to get less negative if we have -50 and we have to take away -60. So kind of what's happening there. And then we'll go and kind of use the rule. So turning to addition, the first number stays the same. So -50 stays -50. Subtraction goes opposite, so plus. And -60 goes to its opposite too, which is a +60. So now we have the problem -50 plus 60, which is the same thing as -50 minus -60. So going through the questions, are the signs the same? No. So what do we do with the digits? We subtract. Is the answer going to be positive or negative? 60 is bigger and it's positive, so this one will be positive. So 60 minus 50 is 10, and it would be a +10. And that's it.